Yeah, these crumpets, I found them at a local bakery, and these things are really handy. They're good for breakfast or to make sandwiches, and you can put them in a toaster oven, a regular oven. You can put it in a pan with like garlic butter. So I'm going to make a couple recipes with these, so you'll see these more than once. These are vegan, but a lot of vegan products are good, but you can see the nooks and crannies in these. And this is what this looks like. But great for breakfast, and like I said, great for making sandwiches, or even you can make pizzas on top of this. And the thing you can do is, once you make whatever you want with these, you can freeze them and then just take them out of your freezer whenever you want them. Alright, so we're going to take these and we're going to warm them on both sides. So this is what they look like. You use garlic butter, or if you don't have garlic butter, you could just use regular butter. So just melt that in there, and then we'll take these and do both sides. And then, like I said, once you let them cool down, you can use them for anything: breakfast, lunch, any kind of sandwich, pizza. And these are good to keep in your van. Like, I opened the one side, you see that, and still the other one is sealed. So these are good for camping, RV life, van life. And they're great with kids. So to do recipes with kids. So we're going to melt this down, and then we're going to put it in there. Alright, so our butter is done. Now we're going to take these and do two at a time. If you got a big pan, you could do more. So just keep spinning these around, and when we get them to a certain thing, we'll flip them over. But like I said, you can see these. Look, all the nooks and crannies, and you can use them for so many things. If you don't want to use the pan, toaster oven, regular toaster, whatever you want. Alright, so we're done with that. You can see that they're brown. I don't want to do it too much. And this is what the back side looks like. So these things make for like a good recipe. So we're going to use this throughout a couple different recipes. See you soon. Alright, so in the previous video you saw how to take care of those crumpets. So we're going to make two quick breakfast ones. So there's the crumpets, and like I said, watch the video before. And we're going to make a simple one here, just hard-boiled egg. So that's going to be hard-boiled egg and just black pepper. And on this one, I ended up putting sausage, some bread, and I cooked that, and I threw in some Frank's hot sauce. And I used some mild fire roasted salsa. So that's that mix. A lot of times it's better to put this together, cook it, and let it sit overnight. And then once we put that on this one, we're gonna top it with some white sharp cheddar cheese. This thing was this is fresh cheese, and I just grated it. So like I said, it'd be two quick things, and like I said, it's perfect for camping, RV life, and van life. And these are good to make like different creations with kids. So we're going to start off with this one. We're going to put that egg on there, and then we're going to top it with some pepper if you want. And that one's done, and then we'll put the other one together. And like I said, if we weren't filming this, it would only take a couple minutes. Alright, YouTube, so we have that top right there. And like I said, not every meal creation is going to be gourmet or great display. A lot of good meals that taste so good don't have an appeal when it comes to like display. You can only do so much, but with this, if you wanted to, you could add cheese or do whatever you want. So we're going to add the black pepper. And basically that's done. Like, who wouldn't want to wake up to either a soft-boiled egg or a hard-boiled egg over this crumpet? Look at that, organic pepper. And like with this crumpet, if you didn't want the hard-boiled or soft-boiled egg, you could put a fried egg in there and break the yolk all over. So these things are really quick. So this one here, we're going to throw that sausage and mix on there, and then we're going to top it with cheese. Alright, YouTube, there's the sausage and bread with the Frank's hot sauce, and has the fire roasted salsa. So the thing we're going to do is take this white cheddar or anything of your preference and just sprinkle on some. If you want, you can throw this in the microwave and warm it, or in a toaster oven, and have it warm if you want, or just eat it like this. And like I said, with these crumpets, you can make a batch of them. Look at these. I got these for other meals, or you can just eat it alone. So we'll top this off, and you have the hard-boiled crumpet, and the one with sausage and bread and white cheddar. So how could you go wrong with that? Alright, YouTube, so there you have it. Whoop, sorry for the camera slip, but like I said, we're not edited here. It comes to you live. I'm a real person like you, and we're just making things together, trying different foods. So we got the egg one here with pepper, and we got the sausage and bread and white cheese. Thanks for visiting my channel. Please subscribe, hit the bell, and like I said, I'll bring you a variety of things. I'll be bringing you 2 to 3 uploads a week, and I'll bring you a diverse display of different content. So like I said, these things are really good. If you want it, you could put these in freezer bags, get the air out of them, and freeze them, and you could just take them out when you want to eat them. But that's basically it. So thanks for being part of 2021's journey, and we're here at the Food Zone to learn a lot more. Peace, love you, Dan Soy, aka Batman in the Kitchen. Peace.